How far can love follow without blocking the road ahead? Many people lie awake trying to prepare someone they cannot live for. In Zhuangzi, there is a fear that sons may spend their whole lives carrying their father's plans and still never become complete. I think of an older hand at a low table, folding a cloth around rice for a child's short errand, then pausing as if packing for a much longer road. A clay cup cools, wind moves through the bamboo screen and the window crack, and each opening answers with a different sound. Outside the gate, a twisted tree leans over the path, left standing because no carpenter wants it. Nearby, a great gourd hangs heavy and strange, awkward for jars, yet fit to float on river water. Zhuangzi keeps these shapes in view, not to praise neglect, but to loosen the grip that turns care into pressure. Even now, in bright classrooms, crowded calendars, and messages sent too quickly, worry often reaches out before seeing where a young life already opens. Sometimes the kindest watch is close, quiet, and light. Can a future grow better under an open hand?